Today, we're starting with a challenge.
Describe one family member without saying their name.
And don't say nice or kind.
Most people freeze right there.
Because talking about family in English sounds easy, but it's not.
Today, we'll fix that.
Most learners list family members like a shopping list.
My father is a teacher. My mother is a housewife.
That sounds correct, but dead.
Real English is about description, not just facts.
Instead of only saying what they do, say who they are.
My father works long hours, but he's very patient.
Now we can imagine him.
My mother is the emotional center of our family.
She worries a lot, but she always supports us.
This sounds natural and warm.
Talking about brothers and sisters is perfect for showing personality.
My younger brother is stubborn, but very creative.
Families are full of contradictions.
Avoid robotic sentences like, I have one brother, he is good.
Instead, add emotion or detail.
I have one brother who always makes me laugh.
Real people don't speak perfectly.
So phrases like these are great. We're really close.
We don't always agree, but we respect each other. Now your turn.
Describe one family member using 2 sentences only.
No job title, only personality.
In the next part, we'll talk about family relationships and emotions.
Arguments, love, support, distance, all of it.
Because family is not perfect.
But it's real. In real conversations, people don't want a family tree. They want stories.
Exactly. Nobody says, tell me the full list of your relatives.
They ask questions like, what's your relationship with your family like?
And this is where many learners get nervous.
Here's the key rule. Be honest, but don't overshare.
You don't need drama to sound natural.
For example, instead of saying, my family is perfect,
You can say, we're close, but we're very different.
that sounds human, not fake, not defensive.
Most learners describe parents like statues.
Very serious, very formal.
But real English treats parents as people.
You can say, my dad is quiet, but he has a great sense of humor.
Or, my mom is strict, but she always listens.
These sentences build connection instantly.
Every family has disagreements.
Pretending you don't is unnatural.
Instead of saying, we never fight,
Say something like, we argue sometimes, but we talk things through.
that shows maturity.
Siblings are perfect for light humor.
You can safely joke, a little.
My sister acts like the boss, even though she's younger.
Classic sibling energy.
My brother and I tease each other a lot.
These lines feel natural and friendly.
Sometimes families are close, sometimes they're not.
Both are normal.
You can say, we don't talk every day, but we care about each other.
Or, we're not very close, but there's mutual respect.
No explanation needed. No apology needed.
Talking about traditions makes conversations warmer.
Even small traditions count. We usually eat dinner together on weekends.
Or, my family loves long conversations at night.
These details make your English sound alive.
Avoid sounding like a biography.
Phrases like, my father was born in,
Stop. That's not conversation English.
use everyday phrases instead.
Here are some safe, natural expressions.
We support each other.
We have our ups and downs.
They mean a lot to me.
I learned a lot from my family.
Think about one family member right now.
Not their job, not their age.
Just one personality trait that defines them.
That's how real conversations start.
In the next part, we'll focus on how to talk about family.
In interviews, introductions, and serious conversations.
Without sounding nervous.
Or too personal.
Talking about family in formal settings feels tricky.
Because you want to sound polite, but not boring.
And personal, but not uncomfortable.
That balance is everything.
In meetings, conferences, or academic events, people often ask simple questions.
Like, do you live with your family?
A safe answer sounds like this. Yes, we're close, and they're very supportive.
Short, warm, professional.
Here's an important skill. Setting boundaries politely.
You can say, my family is very important to me.
And then gently change the topic.
No details, no awkward silence.
In formal situations, tone matters more than content.
Avoid jokes that feel too casual.
Instead of humor, use respect.
My parents value education and hard work.
That sounds thoughtful and mature.
Light humor is okay, if it's gentle.
For example, my family keeps me grounded.
It's friendly, not personal. This question can surprise people.
If you're asked something uncomfortable, don't panic.
You can say, like any family, we have challenges.
And stop there.
You're not required to explain.
Sometimes you mention family in a presentation.
Keep it minimal.
I come from a supportive family background.
That's enough.
In formal settings, family often reflects values.
You can connect family to culture.
My family emphasizes respect and responsibility.
That sounds confident and culturally aware.
Avoid emotional stories.
Avoid jokes that need explanation.
Avoid negative labels.
Keep it calm and neutral.
Imagine you're in a formal meeting.
Someone asks, what does your family think about your work?
A strong answer is, they're supportive and proud.
Simple, confident.
Talking about family in formal settings isn't about details.
It's about tone, boundaries, and confidence.
In the final part, we'll wrap everything up.
And show you how to end family conversations naturally.
At this point, you've learned something important.
Talking about family isn't about perfect sentences.
It's about choosing the right level of detail.
And knowing when to stop.
Family questions appear everywhere.
Job interviews, social gatherings, formal meetings.
When you handle them well, you sound confident.
Not defensive, not nervous.
One powerful skill is knowing how to close the topic.
For example, my family has been very supportive.
And then you smoothly add, that's helped me focus on my goals.
The conversation moves forward naturally.
You don't need a perfect family to speak well.
You need perspective.
You can say, my family taught me resilience.
Or, they've influenced how I see responsibility.
That sounds thoughtful and mature.
Sometimes people react emotionally to family topics.
Stay calm. Stay respectful.
Short answers protect your space.
Silence is also okay.
Family may be complicated, but talking about them doesn't have to be.
Exactly.
Think about how you'll answer this question next time.
What's your family like?
Not with fear.
But with confidence. You're allowed to speak simply.
You're allowed to set boundaries.
And you're allowed to sound human.
If this episode helped you,
Like it?
subscribe.
And share it with someone learning English.
This is Miss English Academy.
Helping you speak real English.
With confidence and clarity.